Hello everyone, webbike.net colleagues confirm that the Honda NT1100 will be equipped with an e-clutch assisted clutch. Most likely this model will be presented at EICMA 2024. As you know, the CB650R and CBR650R are already the first to install this system. This will be the first time it has been used on an inline two-cylinder engine. And let's discuss it in full. The Honda NT1100 has the same engine as the Africa Twin, Rebel 1100 and Hawk 11, the latter model not being sold in Europe but in Japan. The Hawk 11 could also use the e-clutch in 2025. The e-clutch system has become one of the latest developments in the motorcycle industry. Honda has not hidden its intention to use the e-clutch on other models. In addition, the factory-type assisted clutch has two big advantages. It is easy to install, and its use has little impact on the price of the motorcycle. The system works so efficiently that you can forget about the clutch lever. We do not rule out the possibility that over time the manufacturer decides to do without it, and the left lever activates the rear brake, as is the case on scooters. Currently, the Honda NT1100 is also available with a DCT double clutch transmission version. There has been no official statement regarding this, but we think this system will give way to the e-clutch, being a more modern, sophisticated, and better technology. A colleague from Japan said that the Honda NT1100 with the e-clutch system will be presented to the world at the 2024 Milan Motor Show. EICMA will be held on November 7th to 10th in the Italian city. So the model should be in stores in early 2025. So that's our review for today, and see you in the next video.